Lao Tzu's concept of Wu Wei, or non-action, encourages us to align ourselves with the natural order. This approach can be applied to various aspects of modern life, from managing stress to making sustainable choices. By embracing Wu Wei, we can achieve effortless action and balance in our lives. Consider the example of a city plagued by traffic congestion. Instead of trying to control the flow of traffic through rigid regulations, urban planners could apply Lao Tzu's principles by designing streets that adapt to the natural flow of traffic. This approach would reduce congestions and promote a smoother and more efficient commute. Some might argue that Lao Tzu's philosophy is too abstract or outdated for modern application. However, I would counter that his teachings offer a timeless framework for living in harmony with nature and ourselves. By embracing Lao Tzu's wisdom, we can cultivate a deeper understanding of the world and our place within it. In conclusion, Lao Tzu's philosophy remains remarkably relevant in modern times. As we strive to build a more balanced and sustainable future, Lao Tzu's wisdom offers a valuable guide for navigating the complexities of modern life. By embracing his teachings, we can create a better world for ourselves and our future generations. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.